Namaste, my dear TechOnco family. Welcome to TechOnco's HackerRank Java series. Now, in this today's video, we are going to discuss about the Java if-else problem. So, the task before while reading task only, we will just note it down the requirements or the conditions. Given an integer n, perform the following conditional actions. The n, assume it as a variable or a number. If the n is odd, if the n is odd number, we have to print weird. If the n is even and it is between 2 to 5, okay, we have to print it as a not weird. Then if the n is even and it is between the 6 and 20, we have to print it as a weird. If the n is even and it is greater than 20, we have to print it as a not weird. This problem, it seems weird, but no problem, we'll solve the weird things first. So, first thing first, we have to import the packages java.util.asterisk because we are focusing on the scanner class for accepting the inputs from the user. Next, create a class solution psvm. Next, public static void main static, sorry for the typo, string arguments parameters. Done. So first thing is we have to create the objects for the scanner class equals new scanner system dot n. So first thing, we have to accept the user input. So I am taking a n as a variable. So I'm accepting the user input by next int. Done. So here are the our program starts. Our main thing starts. If condition, first condition, what it is, n is odd. So how can we find out the n is odd number or even number? We will just use one condition, n modulus operator 2 is not equals to 0. So n modulus operator 2, because why we have chosen 2 means if the number is divided by 2, if the remainder is 0 means it would be the even number. So at present, what is the first condition? We have to find out the odd number. So that's why I have specified not equal to 0. So we have to print system.out.println it as a weird number. Okay, our first condition is done. Next, else if, what is the second condition? It is even. Of course, if it is not divisible by 2, it is odd. We have already catch the odd number and printed. So next condition would be the or even number only. So we are not explicitly checking that it is a even or odd. So let's go for the this statement. N is less than 2 and less than 5. Okay. So then we have to print not weird. Okay, done. So next condition is if the number is between 6 to 20, we have to print it as a weird number. So 6, this is the AND statement. AND statement is used to check that if it will print this not weird only if the two conditions are true. Okay, if these two conditions are true, then only it will print the whole thing, or else it will jump to the next if else statement. Okay, and greater than or equal to 20, we have to print it as a weird number. So I'm just copy pasting it. Okay, next, I'm not using the if else statement again because the number which has passed these many condition must be more than 20. It is a common sense, right? So I'm just using else system.in. It is not weird. So that's it. Let's run the code. Okay, our test case has been passed. So that's it for today. Let's see you in the next video.